Hello everyone. How are you going? Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show how I grow dahlias from seeds. Do you like dahlias? Do you grow dahlias in your garden? Dahlias are stunningly beautiful late-season flowers that bloom from midsummer to fall with all the rainbow colors. Dahlias are perennials in zones 8 and above. In cold climates, they need to be dug up and stored until spring. My garden is located in Zone 5B, so I usually plant dahlias in the spring and dig them up and hide them from the cold in the fall. Learn how to plant dahlias and grow dahlias from seed, and get helpful tips on how to grow dahlias. About dahlia flowers. Dahlia is a genus of tuberous plants belonging to the Compositae family. This family also includes chrysanthemums, zinnia, and even a sunflower. Flowers can range in size from miniature 2-inch candy pom-poms to giant 15 dinner plates. Most varieties grow 4 to 5 feet tall. But I prefer to grow miniature dahlias, which are used for planting in pots, decorating patios, and for creating a border. Usually, flower lovers plant dahlia tubers in the ground in late spring. This dahlia blooms from July until the first autumn frosts. But there is another interesting way to grow dahlias. I grow Patio Dahlias from seed. These dahlias are perfect for a border garden and are great for cutting. Do you only grow vegetables? Plant a row of dahlias on the border where they won't obscure your food supply. There are hundreds of miniature dahlias which are ideal for the border, either alone or planted with other flowers. Some which I recommend are as follows: Buckeye Baby, Baby Royal, Pink Daisy, Pink Lassie, Teddy Bear, Andries Orange, Little Diamond, Ritzy, Nesthaken, Joyce and Red Head, Rose Beauty, Little Miss Prim, and Red Robin. Dwarf dahlias have flowers averaging 4 inches or more in diameter in good soil and will be a mass of color from the time they start flowering until frost. These dahlias are very dwarfed in growth, with most plants around 18 inches tall. Growing dahlias from seeds is very easy. I use potting soil which is 3 parts peat, 1 part biohumus, and contains 10% vermiculite to retain moisture. I plant dahlia seeds in 1.2-inch cassettes. Seeds should not be buried in the soil, let them be on the surface, planting depth of no more than 0.2 inches. Now you need to moisten the soil with warm water with the addition of a biofungicide. Dahlia seeds germinate in about 3 to 5 days. They remind me of tomato seeds. It is very similar to tomatoes. Seeds should be planted indoors early and transplanted to a permanent location after the danger of frost has passed, as with tomatoes. The optimum temperature for seed germination is 22 to 25 degrees Celsius or 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the surface of the soil moist while the dahlia seeds germinate. As soon as shoots have appeared, I place the young plants in a cooler place and remove the film for shelter. The temperature for seedling growth is 18 to 20 degrees Celsius or 64 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. You also need to slightly dry the surface of the soil so as not to provoke the growth of mold, a black leg, which young, still weak plants often suffer from. Now I will wait until the first true leaves appear, and after that I will transplant the dahlia seedlings into seedlings with a capacity of 0.5 liters or 16 fluid ounces. But I will talk about it in my next video. Dahlias, in combination with other flowers, should be planted in the garden as soon as the ground is warm enough, from about May 1st to May 10th in the New York area and the surrounding area, if it is desired that they bloom by July. Small dahlias do not require much care after planting. Dwarf dahlias bloom well and require less maintenance than taller varieties. I hope you found this video about growing dahlias helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.